Hey, what's up, everybody? Tonight I'm gonna do a video about Etoro. So basically, this platform it is well known, and I do not need to explain much about it. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. So basically, what I'm going to talk about on Etoro is a basic review. Because why? Because recently I've been into Etoro, and I would say the gains that I've made from Etoro it is quite, I would say, quite insane. When I started this journey around, I think a month or so, maybe 2 months, I would say, into eToro. So basically, what is this eToro platform all about? So if you want to buy stock, I would say buying from eToro is the best because they have a 0% commission fee, and after that there's no markup and whatsoever, and the spread is very low. And for cryptocurrency wise, you can buy it. Basically, it's a CFD. I would say like a futures trading or something like that. You buy crypto, but you do not technically own the crypto, so it is like buying the futures. And I would say cryptocurrencies, yeah, the spread is quite high on cryptocurrency. So if the key point that I want to talk about on eToro is basically the copy trading, and of course, if you want to like buy some stock or crypto, and I'm gonna teach you how you can do that. And of course, if you are new to trading, you can copy trade people, and I can recommend you some of the copy traders that I've been copy trading, and after that, from there we can make money all together. And after that, blah blah blah. So you can see all these gains that is on eToro, and after that, basically they accept Visa. They accept lots of payment method to deposit, and of course, one thing that I want you to remember is, let's say if you're gonna deposit using let's say your debit card, you will need to withdraw through your debit card. So if let's say you put in 1K in your through your debit card, you are able to withdraw 1K out from your debit card, and after that the remaining is gonna be from other payment methods. So this is one of the highlights that you must know. And after that, on the platform itself, they are offering $50 for free if you are um qualified in this country. So if you are in this country, and of course if you are not, you can use my referral link as well. So if you want to sign up for eToro, so you must see if your country is highlighted over here. So if it is highlighted over here on these qualified countries, you are able to receive $50 for free. And after that, what you do is very simple. Over here, you need to trade at least $100. So how does this even work? So I'm going to talk about the platform itself. So this is my investing platform. I mean the portfolio that I've currently invested in. So basically you can see there's some stock over here. I bought some Alphabet, and after that PFE, Wix, and Riot. So basically these four company, it is stock company. So I bought some stock over here, and the commission fee is 0. And I'm going to teach you how can you purchase stock on eToro as well. And after that is basically a very simple review. So over here you can see I'm going to click onto this driverless, and we can view how long I have been in the platform as well. So you can see investing started at 10:11. So basically on the 10th of November, I have been invested in this driverless. So I would say it's around 1 month plus, and the profits over here is 12%. I would say it's quite a lot. And after that over here, the minimum to copy this portfolio is $2,000. So we can talk about it. So if you are interested, you are interested in copying some portfolio and stuff like this, over here I would say there's a lot of portfolio for you to choose from. And for me personally, why did I even choose this shopping cart, Libra, and of course driverless? Previously I was invested into, I would say, if I'm not wrong, shopping cart. So we can look at the portfolio again. So my portfolio you can see in the game, Libra, and of course driverless. So previously I was invested in the shopping cart, but I cashed out, and after that from there I reinvested it into in the game, the industry, and after that I will talk more about it. And after that from there you can decide on which company, which portfolio do you want to copy. So over here, let's say we are gonna talk about driverless. So it's very simple. Just click onto the portfolio. So you need to click on invest in copy trade, and from there you just choose the portfolio that you are interested in. And after that, from there you can see the performance of the portfolio throughout the year. And after that over here, you can see, so if you see a star over here, meaning these are all like generated through backend, the back testing. Therefore it is not it's not the actual results, but instead it is using the AI. And after that, from the using the history of the portfolio, and from there to forecast a rate. read out, and after that over here you can see the total investors that is copying this portfolio, and you can see the range of the portfolio that people are copying. And over here, yeah, much more technical in depth. And after that you can see the portfolio, so you can click on it, and after that you will know over here what is all these company that are good about to invest in if you are going to copy the driverless portfolio. So let's say if you do not want to copy the whole portfolio, you can, yeah, basically what you can do is just see from their over here whatever they are offering on this portfolio, and after that you want to mix and match. If let's say you want to make some profits out of it and you do not want to, like, yeah, basically you do not want to copy the whole portfolio. Let's say you only want to choose Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Caterpillar. Example, these four companies, just head over to the trade markets and you are able to just trade on these four stock if you want to. But I would say it is better to copy the whole portfolio because it is more diversified, and after that there's a total of 38 markets, and the minimum to invest it is $2,000. So we will see here. So you can just click on the stats and click on show more. And after that over here, it's going to explain the minimum investment is $2,000 to start off with. And after that is the assets allocation. And I will say, yeah, within a month of trading on this automated portfolio, it is awesome, the gains, I would say. I'm not cashed out at all. So over here you can see I made around $200 within a month. And after that, how much is this investment that I started with? Here it shows invested $2,000, and after that the PL is $250.96. And after that, if I close the whole portfolio now, I will be profiting with $250, but I'm just gonna hold it, and after that see how does December goes. And of course, yeah, for this, I would say for this copy portfolio, if you want to invest in it, I would say it is a long term, quite a mid to long term investment, I would say, because yeah, right now the whole stock market is I would say recovering from the COVID situation, and the whole economy is recovering as well. Therefore, I would say, is it a good time to invest into stock right now? I would say maybe, depending on your view on it, because from my understanding is COVID hit the market at around March, and after that we can see it's already been like 8 months, around 8 to 9 months of since the COVID situation, the pandemic hit. Therefore, I would say the stock market is definitely recovering from the losses that it made during that March, yeah, I would say that atomic bomb that COVID pandemic strike. And after that, if you can just head over to the stock market, or let's say any company, you can just head over to the time frame at March. You will see that the March, every company out there has a very big dip, and after that from there it broke the owns company like all-time high and stuff like this. But I would say eventually overall the whole economy is slowly recovering from the pandemic, and after that of course there's a vaccine out and stuff like this. Therefore I would say on my portfolio you can see I bought PFE, and after that this company, which is the company that released the vaccine and stuff like this. But I would say it is, yeah, from the understanding of it, and of course research from people. So I would say, like, let's say if you want to invest in a company, you can just click on this, and after that if you want to trade on the market, you can just click trade. And over here, if you want to trade, do not choose the market price. I would say you just choose the rate, and after that this is limit order. So let's say if you want to read a chart and stuff like this, you can enter the average price, let's say $20, and after that you can enter the minimum. How much is the minimum? I'm unsure. So the minimum to trade is 50. So you can choose $50, and after they can set an order, and from there, yeah, the leverage is 1 times. And of course there is no commission fee and stuff like this. So for copy trading people, so for the invest in portfolio, the copy portfolio, I would say if you want to invest in the top traders portfolio, from here we can see the gains, and after that read more. So if I'm not wrong, the minimum to invest is 5,000. Yep. So for copy the copy portfolio, over here once you click on it, if you want to copy people, over here this is all the people, the active traders and stuff like this. Here the minimum to invest is 5,000, and after that for the market copy portfolio, whichever stock it is here, which is shown over here, I will say the minimum to copy is $2,000 to start off with. So there's two type of portfolio you can copy. You can copy the portfolio of humans. So all the traders that is trading right now, the eToro itself, they handpick, and after that, using the algorithm and stuff like this, from there they pack all these traders, active trader, and after that the gains and stuff like this onto a portfolio. And after that, from there, once you copy trade with $5,000, it is going to invest in whatever the traders are investing with, and therefore you are gonna make profit or losses depending on the whole portfolio. So yeah, the minimum is 5,000, but for copy trading, the stock market itself, let's say over here Libra, and after that, whatever they know about this Libra portfolio, whatever project is whatever company it is taking part in the Libra project, it is going to be accumulated, and after that name, that's why the name is so obvious. It's Libra portfolio. Therefore, whatever company is inside the portfolio, you are able to invest with it. So over here you can see the top one is Farfetch, Shopify, Spotify, Uber, and yeah, whatsoever. And after that, the minimum to copy on the portfolio, which I would say it is $2,000, and from there you can make gains and stuff like this. And of course, how do you make gains? Basically, if the price of the stock goes up, you make money. Very simple to understand. And after that, let's say if you do not have $2,000 to start off with, I would say you can head over to Copy People. So on my portfolio itself, I will show you, being very transparent with you. So on my portfolio itself, you can see I've copied Yujie, her Yujie. So basically over here is HYJ Brighter. So over here, this guy, I have been copying him 2 times. So basically previously I've copied his portfolio for like around 2 weeks and stuff like this. So I made like, maybe I would say around $5 or even so, plus minus. And after that I just stopped. And after that I put my funds onto the copy portfolios, and after that, from there I made much more gains and stuff like this. So I stopped my shopping cart trading. Therefore I have some funds left over here. So I told myself that why not I trade myself. Therefore I have entered quite an amount of orders over here, you can see. And yeah, it's a bit laggy. Yeah, so over here you can see I have entered onto 4 companies trade, and after that all at $50, so $200 being traded. And of course I have some pending order as well. I do not over here. So over here you can see I've closed the investment, so I invested 3,200, and after that, yeah, it's not showing the P&L. Yep, so overall over here on my I would say copy trading people, I will recommend you, if you want to, you can copy this guy over here, HYJ Brighter. So over here, to copy with him, you will need, if I'm not wrong, all the copy trading will need at least $200 or even $500 to start off with. And after that, on their portfolio itself, they will recommend how much you should put in and stuff like this. So if you want to head over to a copy trader, let's say if you want to do whatever is trending, just click on it, and after that, you can click on copy. Okay, so you can copy this guy. So depending on which people you want to copy with, so over here, the minimum is to copy with so the minimum to copy on portfolio is 200, and after that, some traders, they'll recommend you to copy like, let's say $500 or stuff like this. And after that, from there you're able to enter your copy trade with the user, depending on what they invest in. So you can understand more just by clicking onto their portfolio and click on portfolio, and after that you can see the company that they are invested with. So they have quite a lot of they're trading with quite a lot of pairs, so basically 40 markets, and after that invested, and you can see the allocation, the value of the entire portfolio. And after that, I would say, if you are happy with their trading, so how you check it out? So you just click on stats, and from there you can see the whole performance. So some traders have very long time span on Etoro. So this guy here has been with Etoro for 5 years, and you can see over here throughout the trading years, he is making profit except for 1 year. On 2018, he is making a loss of 32%. And after that, overall, he is still making more than what he has lost. So on yearly average, I would say he is making, he's making profit. And after that, over here, 71% profitable. And after that, you can see whatever he's trading with. So the frequently trade with, it is over here, Nasdaq, S&P 500, and Alibaba. So over here, you can choose your, you can investigate more on the copy trader before you invest with him. So over here, there's additional status, additional stats like telling you that he's gonna, on average, the traders make around 6.4 trades per week, and after that, the average holding time is 6 months, and he has been alive since been trading since 2015, and after that, for the profitable weeks, it is 67%. So over here on Etoro itself, you can see that, basically I would say the whole platform itself is very easy, and after that automated as well. So if you want to trade on many exchanges, I mean whatever stock market, you can try to choose it over here. So there's Zoom and Airbnb. So Airbnb is a new, I would say the IPO just ended, and after that right now, they are making some, basically they are being traded publicly, and after that you can see on trading. So on the 7th of December, it has been trading, and after that, the price of Airbnb just boom up. So if you want, you can, let's say if you want to trade on some company, let's say a random company, and after that, you want dividends. So how do you see dividends? So over here, you can click on the stock itself, and after that, you can see the dividend yield is 0%. So on eToro itself, if let's say if you are let's say if you are buying company of the stock of the company, if you want dividends, you can click on the company itself and you can see the dividends yield. And of course, bear in mind that if you enter a position, I would say you are technically owning the stock, and after that, basically whatever stock you purchase, you will not be paying like any commission fee or stuff like this. And after that, for dividend yield, yes, you will receive the dividend depending on when's the dividends of the market itself. I mean the company itself, and from there you will yield the dividends on your units that you have. And after that, from there, I would say overall on my portfolio, you can see on the allocation, and after that equity and stuff like this. So how much is my total investment? So to be very frank, I placed in $7,000 into eToro, 7,000 USD, and right now you can see the equity is at 7.8k. So I profited almost $800 out of my $7,000 of investment within, like I would say, 2 months. So if you want to put it, I would say 2 months. I'm in eToro for 2 months, then I've made around $800, and I would say why not? You can do it as well. And of course, there's a free bonus of $50 if you want to grab. Just sign up using my link, and from there you are able to basically you need to sign up. And after that, if let's say you do not know what company to buy in or whatsoever, just copy trade somebody, I would say, and after that you'll receive that $50 for free within a week or so. And after that, basically that's the end of the video. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course, see you on the next one. Peace.